Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 18th August 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So on this day means on 18th August in 1951, the Indian Institute of Technology means IIT Kharagpur started. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad gave this name and before the inauguration of this IIT, and it was the first research institute in the country, after which many IITs have came into existence now. So this is the history of the day for the 18th of August. Now let's see the current affairs part. So moving toward the first question of the current affair is, who developed the infrastructure at the Rihan project in Uttar Pradesh to transport fly ash to cement plants at affordable cost? उत्तर प्रदेश के रिहान परियोजना में बुनियादी ढांचे का विकास किसने सस्ती लागत पर सीमेंट संयंत्रों में फ्लाई ऐश के परिवहन से लिया है? एंड द आंसर इज नेशनल थर्मल पावर कॉर्पोरेशन, and the infrastructure is being developed to help the NTPC achieve the target of 100% utilization of fly ash from power plants. This will enable the power plant to upgrade the utilization of fly ash. Now moving toward the second question. So which country recently signed an agreement to purchase 66 of the latest F-16 jets from United States? हाल ही में किस देश ने संयुक्त राज्य अमेरिका से नवीनतम F-16 जेट के 67 खरीदने के लिए एक समझौते पर हस्ताक्षर किए हैं? एंड द आंसर इज ताइवान, एंड दिस इज द ताइवान्स फर्स्ट परचेज फ्रॉम द US since 1992. Although the deal was planned and negotiations were finalized a year ago, the move is likely to be condemned by Beijing, and the jet sales to Taiwan are to be completed by the end of 2026. Now let's see the third question. So a high ministerial panel of Goods and Services Tax Council recently supported the e-way bill for which interstate traffic. माल और सेवा कर परिषद के लिए उच्च स्तरीय मंत्री स्तरीय पैनल ने हाल ही में अंतर्राज्यीय आवागमन के लिए किस ईवी बिल का समर्थन किया है? एंड द आंसर इज फॉर गोल्ड. एन ई-वे बिल इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिकल इनवॉइस दैट शोज दैट द टैक्स हैज बीन पेड in full before the goods are moved from one place to another. This include within the state and also outside the state. A bill is required to carry a consignment of goods worth more than 50,000. Now let's see the fourth question. So which country has sent more than 30 tons of technical equipments to India to help in oil spills? भारत ने किस देश को तेल रिसाव के लिए मदद करने के लिए 30 टन से अधिक तकनीकी उपकरण भेजे हैं? And the answer is Mauritius, and let me tell you that the government of Mauritius requested assistance in combating the environmental crisis when MV Wakashio, a Japanese bulk carrier, hit the coral reef on the coast in late July, resulting in more than 1,000 ton of oil spill in the Indian Ocean. Now the last question is, recently the Indian Navy has passed a resolution to acquire how many Chiffon drones immediately? हाल ही में भारतीय नौसेना ने तत्काल कितने Chiffon ड्रोन प्राप्त करने का प्रस्ताव पारित किया है? And the answer is 10. A proposal has been brought by the Indian Navy to the Ministry of Defence in fast track mode, under which it plans to purchase 10 naval Chiffon unnamed aerial system for more than rupees 1,240 crore. Now let me tell you the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked from you. So the first question was, which Indian state will host the International Film Festival? And the answer is Goa. Goa is going to host this festival in 2020. And the second question which I have asked was, which e-commerce company will start distributing medicines through online pharmacy? And the answer is Amazon is going to try or start a new initiative. Now let's see the questions for today which you have to answer in the comment section. So the first question is, what will be the name of Manduvahdi station to be changed? Means what is the new name? And the second question is, who won the Spanish Grand Prix Formula 1 race? So guys, these are the two questions which you have to answer in the comment section if you know. Otherwise, in the next video, means tomorrow, I am going to tell the answers of these two questions. But at least you try. Till then, thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't miss to hit the bell icon besides the subscribe button.